Hello children. So today I came with another new interesting poem. So last class we have completed the lesson and its grammar part. What was that lesson? Can you remember? What is that? Yes, the rats and gold bars, right? Now here the next poem we have rabbit, your favorite. Do you like these rabbits? Have you seen? Very cute white rabbits, right? Very cute they are, pure vegetarians, right? So very cute rabbits. What is this rabbit? You can see the poem. When rabbits binky, this is an expression of joy. They will run, jump into the air, twist their body and flick their feet. So when rabbits binky, binky means nothing but jump and twist. So when they are very happy, they jump and twist in all directions, right? So binky is nothing but the expression of joy, excitement. Okay, so expression of joy. They will, when they get very happy, when they feel very happy, excitement, they run, they jump into the air and twist their body also, round they go and they jump up and they run this side, that side like this, right? And flick their feet. Flick their feet means light, very lightly they touch the ground. Quick movements, fast it runs, right? So flick means very fast it runs, almost it maybe touch or not touch, like that it goes, that we call it quick movements. So rabbits are affectionate social animals that enjoy the company of other rabbits. So rabbits are very affectionate social animals. Yes, we love them, right? Rabbits are very affectionate one and they enjoy the company of other rabbits. So 2 to 3 rabbits are there means always they enjoy. They run and they dance there and jump up. So different ways they enjoy it. Okay, now see the poem. The moon is shining over the field. A little breeze is blowing. The radish leaves are crisp and green. The lettuces are growing. So see the first one. So the moon is shining over the fields. Yes, moon is coming means in the night time it's going to happen. So from the fields it is coming up, right? That if we see, the moon is shining over the fields. So from the fields now it's moving, that's it's coming up. So very shining, brightly. A little breeze is blowing. So daytime somewhat the hot sun or else like that we get it. So but evening session when we get it, breeze, a gentle wind. Breeze means a gentle wind. A little breeze is blowing. So breeze is a gentle wind. So a gentle, pleasant wind is blowing. Lightly, pleasant wind if you are getting, we feel so pleasant, right? So very exciting. So the radish leaves are crisp and green. All of you know radish. Almost looking like carrot but white color. Radish you know na? So radish, it's a root vegetable. Radish, a root vegetable. All of you know radish, I hope. A root vegetable. Root vegetable we call it. So you can see that radish. So the radish leaves are crisp. Crisp means you know that is very dry. Very dry. So that we get the sound also while eating. Crispy sound. Even your kurkure if you eat, how we get the sound? Crispy. Right? So that is. Crisp means dry. Crisp means dry, actually that is the sound we get it while eating. So even carrot also while you are eating, we get some kind of sound. We call it, that is called crisp. Crisp. Okay. So even that is while you are eating carrot or radish or else that kurkure is your favorite yummies, right? All these while you're eating, whatever you get the sound, that we call it crisp, crispy. So crisp and green. So this radish also very crisp and green. And the lettuce are growing. So the lettuce are growing. So lettuce means here those the almost looking like the cauliflower cabbage, very green color, looking like cabbage, very green color. So lettuce are growing. So this lettuce also growing there. So like the bunch of the flowers, like the bunch like that, we get it almost like the cabbage but green color, full of green leaves we get from that. Okay, lettuce, some different kind of smell we get it, almost like a broccoli if you like to eat it. This lettuce also very tasty. If you don't like it, this is somewhat different smell, that's why some people don't like this one. Okay ma. See the total stanza. First stanza once again. The moon is shining over the field, a little breeze is blowing, the radish leaves are crisp and green, the lettuce are growing. So this lettuce, green grass, so like cabbage, so it is also growing. So that is the evening session, how it is, they explain. And the owl is in the ivy bush, with both his eyes a winking, the rabbit shakes his little tail and sits him down a thinking. So if you see the rhyming words, so first one if you see, second line and first stanza, second line and fourth stanza, rhyming words, blowing, growing, blowing, growing, you know the rhyming words. So next one is also winking, thinking, winking, thinking, we have the rhyming words. Now see the second stanza, the owl is in the ivy bush. What is this ivy bush? That means heavy bushy plants, it's completely filled up the green color bushes, that we call it ivy bush. So ivy bush means heavy bushy plants, heavy bushy plants. That means completely green leaves filled up, covered up. If you see that, you can see. So you can understand, that is the owl is in the ivy bush. So from that leaves, if we have thick of leaves, thick of plants when we have, in that the owl can we see easily? No. So the owl is in the ivy bush with both his eyes winking. With his both his eyes. So these owl eyes, winking. Winking means, yes, like this. Close and open your eyes. That is a winking. Winking an eye. So winking means close and open eyes quickly. Close and open eyes quickly. That we call it winking. The eyes are winking, right, like this. Okay. So, and the owl is in the ivy bush and with both his eyes winking. So, there is the very bushy plants among that it was, and it was winking its eyes. And the rabbit shakes his little tail. So, night time, no one to in the fields, no one disturb them, because the farmers also, they come back in the night time now. So they are enjoying how these animals, they are enjoying in the night time, we can see in this. The rabbit shakes his little tail and sits him down a thinking. So it moves its little tail and it sat there thinking. So what does it think? We can see. So it was thinking something. Oh, what is that? Oh, where are all the dormice gone? And are the frogs wooing? Will no one come to play with me? What are they all doing? So, it sat and thinking. What it is thinking? See that. Oh, where are all the dormice gone? So, where are all the dormice gone? Dormice means mouse-like animals. Animals like mouse. Dormice. D-O-R-M-I-C-E. So those are also a type of mice, you know, rats, one type of rats. So these are also mouse-like animals. Mouse means all of you know, like rats. Rats, na? So mouse-like animals. So these, where are all the dormice gone? Mice, where did you go? Where are you all? And are the frogs wooing? And are the frogs wooing? Wooing means here sleeping. Where are you, my dear frogs? Where are you all? Are you sleeping here? Wooing, that is enjoying a sleeping. That we can take here, at wooing. And will no one come to play with me? Already all of you are sleeping. Where did you go, these mice? And where are you, frog? Are you sleeping already? No one come to me to play with me tonight. What are they all doing? So what are you all doing, my dear friends? Where did you go? So that he asked. Who asked this one? That is nothing but our rabbit. What it is asking? Oh, where are all the dormice gone? Where did you go? And are the frogs wooing? Will no one come to play with me? Wooing, swinging, sleeping, like that. So, and will no one come to play with me? And what are they all doing? What are you all doing? What are you doing there? And for the next, poor little rabbit, all alone. Don't let the master meet you. He will shoot you with his little gun and merrily he will eat you. So at last what happened? My dear, you only alone came. So all are sleeping, are doing other works. So here, poor little rabbit, that you all alone. So you are only one here. What happened? Don't let the master meet you. Master means owner or some other human beings. They may come and they catch you. So that's why don't meet them, let the master meet you. If you are alone means definitely the master, that means a hunter. So rabbit hunter, the person will come and he will catch you and he will take you away from here. That's why don't let the master, don't allow the master to meet you, to see you. He will shoot you with his little gun. Because the hunter, they have gun. So with his little gun, definitely he will shoot you and he will take you to eat. Yes, some people they eat that is a rabbit meat. So that they eat, that's why. And merrily he will eat you. So merrily means very happily. So merrily means very happily. Actually happy to get some success, that is a get it. So merrily means here happily we can take it. So once if he shoots you, immediately he takes and very happily he will eat you. That's why don't be alone here, go away. Right? So poor little rabbit all alone. Don't let the master meet you. He will shoot you with his little gun and merrily he will eat you. So don't wait there. He will come and he will eat you. So that is the rabbit, how it enjoys, but by fearing of, afraid of the master, how it tries to hide. That we can see in this poem, the rabbit. So how the animals they enjoy in the night time, we can see in this. So rhyming words, if you see, what do we have? First stanza we have blowing, growing. Second stanza we have winking, thinking. And third stanza we have wooing, doing. And fourth stanza we have meet you and eat you. Right? Meet, eat. We can take it you. Meet, eat. Okay, children. So this is our poem. Later, next we can do the grammar part.